Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to go to the beach with some of my family members. My mom, my sister Joanne, and her boyfriend. Guys, we have problem. Look at my Muchi. Oh no, baby, you can come with us. Baby, nasi Muchi ni Oba. Oh my God, baby. Wala raman na. Magpagidalan na ako itong sudlanan. Baby, balik ito, B. Dila na. Dila na siya. Uli na siya. Balik ka. Wala na, wala siya. Hala, oh my God! No! Nisulod siya silang laing balay. Hala, let me check my cat first. Guys, she went to the other house. And this house has a big dog. Baby, come on, baby, come here. Come here, my love. Come on. Come on. Baby, come on. Come on, come on. You wanna go with me? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Baby. My love, Mochi. Come on. Come on, baby. Baby, you promise me you'll go back home, huh? Later? Because we're gonna go. After na lang, guys. Guys, bigyan na kasi ako. Mga ka-ovan. Layo na sila. Mga 15 minutes, I think, 15 minutes away from where we are, or maybe 20 minutes away from where we are. Marating na natin ang beach. Hello guys, so we are finally here. Look, it's high tide today, guys, and here in this beach, on this beach, we're just going to pay 20 pesos each for adults. And yeah, did you guys pay it already? They paid already, guys. So I got freebie today. So there. Hi, Samu. Hi. So yeah, we are looking for a good spot for us. A little bit like private, you know. This is a big space. So there are a lot of people over there, and we don't like so crowded area. So we want maybe there. By the way, guys, I remember when last birthday of mine, last year, I guess. Is it last year? I know, because last year is 2024, 2025 na pala tayo. Last 2023, I have my photo shoot here, my birthday, and I think it's that man group or that man group over there that we're having a photo. But I think this one, and I got a really nice photo on here. It's so nice. Oh. So you know, guys, here, especially doon sa amin sa Himalalod, yung beach before na walang ganito yung walang mga puno-puno. So they are yung tsunami na 2000. Pero sa tuguan yat katong earthquake gani 2012. Well, last 2012, guys, because of that earthquake, and somehow nagano siya na magka-tsunami. So that's why people are close to the beach, or the DNR, I think, na nag-implement sila to plant mangroves. So in my hometown in Himalalo, there are a lot of mangroves already that's been planted, and I think they've already like this na nag-grow na sila ng ganito ka inani na do dito. It's not like this pala, because my what's this? My younger sister's boyfriend is from Himalalo. Actually, we're from Himalalo, but we moved to Dumaguete already. So guys, marag sa among kapilian, guys, napunta naman yung lunangan. Aning kabatuhan? Ay, marag ko. I didn't know, dito, there. Ay, pwede po diri, Kamantay kayat, katong ako yat. Katong gikuan ko yat ba? When I have chicken pox. Di ba dirita ni Angelo? No! Katong I have chicken pox. Gagi na ako, video day. Okay, paakon tag na isawa dira. Ay, dito tao. Guys, when you wanted to be in a quiet place and you end up having this kind of place, something area. No, Juan, I remember this is the spot niya. This is the spot na balik-banig ta. O, diri na lang ni guys. Oo, mas nice pa siya. Then, naadi at ang balik kami later. So, mga-arrange namin sa mga gitanggalang foods, guys. Mga yung mga foods. Yan na yan. Kaya ito guys, mga yung dalang mga foods. This one. Yan. This one, I cannot eat this one. So, I mean, ito ang prinsesa. Walang trabaho. So, namin kinamos guys. Sila rin makakaon-ani because I cannot eat this one. They have bananas as well. Yan. Dito na kayo butang. Oh, dito na kayo guys. They bring a lot of food guys, but only a few that I can eat because my tummy is so sensitive. Good thing they have peanuts. And I said like, oh, I can't have my goodness. Kami ang sa, guys, so we have lots of food pero tao na nga kung makaon oras yun eh. Money. And look at their food. Tawa. Mauni akong na-miss guys, kanibang ginamos. Fermented fish. My favorite, but I cannot eat it. Oh my god. This one also guys, it's so yummy. But I cannot eat it. This guys, this one. So, is kalamian guys. Vegetable na ano? Ay. Magkapaminghoy na lang ka ano. Patas anay yung ilong. Yes, mama, pakit pa kay camera. Guys, mom don't know about taking pictures or camera, but if there's a camera, she will take a pose and magpakit-kit na siya. Nauna eh.
Hello guys, naday si Ana Rose.
Si Ana Rose.
Kailang Ana Rose. Kaya ka Ana Rose, ma?
Guys, na-icon guys. Uy, na-icon guys. Na-aeroplano. Bukit guys, aeroplano. Wow! Sakpan yun guys Kapoy kag dalagan. Because this beach is very close to the airport. That's the airport over there. Sakit akong tiyan guys, ugkoon. Kadalagag taman. Hello guys, so we are going home. We don't swim, but we just enjoy the view. And anyway guys, thank you so much. I don't know if this vlog is it's a meaningful vlog, but thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye. Bye mama. Bye. Bye.